In this video, I want to break down 6 side hustle idea which is useful for a student or anyone who do not want to spend a lot of time for earning money. But before starting this, I just want to clarify something. If you just search on YouTube earn money online, you will see a lot of videos with this title, the laziest way for earning money, make money in one day. They just want to show you that earning money is easy. But right now, I want to tell you, actually there is no magical tricks that can help you to earn money. It needs hard work, needs spending time, and also needs skill. But there is only a rule that said you will get paid only if you can provide a service or give a value to people who wants to pay for this value. If you understand this rule clearly, you definitely can earn money. And instead of spending 1,000 hours for watching this kind of video, you only need to focus on your skill and develop it and leverage it with so many websites and also so many ways on the internet to earn more money. Before starting this 6 side hustle, I just want to tell you 3 main ways that you only need for earning money. The first one is services, and second one it's product, and third one is content. If you can provide a service to people who wants it, you can earn money. This will be a value that you can add to people and they will pay you because of this value. The second one is a product. This means you will give a product to somebody who wants it, like a distributor, like a drop shipper, and you will earn money by your product. And the third one is content. This will be a mix of products and services. So it means you will create a content for the people you want to entertain them, or you want to teach them. So by this content, they will read your content, and after that, you will convert them to the sales to give them your services or give them your product. So it will be a mix of the service and product. So in this video, I want to tell you 6 side hustles. 1 of them will be related to content and the 5 of them will be related to services. I believe product will not be in side hustle because side hustle, it should have the flexibility. So side hustle should have flexibility, and also it should be fun, and at the end it should be easy. So by these 3, it means we don't want to spend a lot of time. We don't want to have a specific place or time for this business. For example, if you want to go to office every day, so it will not be a side hustle, it will be a full-time job. And also it should be fun. You should not see it like a full-time job that you are not interested on it. And also it should be easy. If we want to merge all of them together, we will reach to the work that you can do it from the internet. So let's go to the first idea. The first one is content creation. I believe you expect that I want to tell you something regular which everyone said, but no, I want to give you an idea how you can earn money by creating the content and how you can give value to your content. First, create your website by WordPress, so which will be easy. You don't want to spend a lot of time for creating content, and you should find your niche. How you can find it? Right now, the most trendiest niche is crypto market, forex market, or you can go for AI or anything that you can think it will be useful. If I want to give you an idea right now, you can start a website for creating content about the forex brokers or about exchanges. What the difference between them? They have a spurt or not? And at the end, how you can earn money. For example, if you are looking for forex market and your content will be related to forex market, definitely your website will be a good place for brokers. So they want to advertise. So you can rent ad space to the brokers and you can earn a lot of money, because this will be related to the jobs, to the companies which they have a lot of money and they will spend a lot of money. If you just go to the website, for example, in my FX book website or in investing website, you will see there are some banners. You can just ask them how much will it be for advertising in your website. They will tell you, for example, 10,000 per month, 5,000 per month related to the traffic that they already have. So this will be a collaboration between business to business. You have audience and they need your audience to convert to sales. They pay you to advertise them, they pay you to create content for them. Another way, it's Google AdSense. You can register in Google AdSense and Google will use your website for advertising and they will use your traffic. But this content, as I told you, the earning will be like this. So in the first, you will be negative because you have to spend time and you have to spend money for designing, for creating content. If we consider time as a money, it is, this will be consuming that you have to spend at least 1 year. You have to work on it. You have to be consistent for reaching to the number of audience per day. Brokers will be interested. You'll check your website. You can offer them. So in this case, they will be interested to advertise in your website. And after a while, you will be in positive and you can earn money. But if you want something from the scratch to start earning money, so you have to look for services. For example, you are a good teacher, so you can start teaching people. In this video, I don't want to tell you some cliche side hustles that everyone's saying. I want to give you a unique idea, like the content creation that I told you, which is not a normal content creation. I'm telling you to create your website, to create the content regularly, and after a while, you will start earning money. I told you, side hustles and earning money, you need to have skill. For example, for the content creation, you need to have a skill for creating content. You need to have a skill for talking as a friendly manner. So in this case, you can attract your audience and people daily will check your website to know what you are doing. And after a while, you can catch their email for sending them regular news. You will have a good database also. And in the policy, you can mention, for example, we will share your database with brokers or with our customers. So in this case, you can sell the database to the customers. The next one, thumbnail designer. So this is trendiest way for designing, and if you be professional on this way, you can earn a lot of money. Right now, YouTube is very trendy and everyone wants to be a YouTuber. There's a proverb that they said at the time that everyone are looking for gold. If you can give them tools for mining a gold, you can earn money. So people right now are interested to be a YouTuber most. So you can provide services to them and earn money because they want to grow their channel. So they will pay to the person who is a good thumbnail designer. You can go learn Canva or Photoshop. Canva is easier. There are so many templates for thumbnail, so you can start to create thumbnail. My idea for starting this job is, first of all, you have to grow your skill. At least 6 months you have to spend time to learn, to understand how to design a good thumbnail. After practicing, you can go to the YouTube and just search some trendy keywords and find the channels with less than 10k subscribers and go to the comments and ask them about the thumbnail. If you need a thumbnail, I can design for you. And there is a way for finding their emails. So if you go to their channel and from the description, you can find their email and just prepare one email and send them email like this. For example, I am X, I'm a professional thumbnail designer. I saw your channel, which is very good, and I believe can add value to your channel by creating my thumbnail. For showing my ability, I want to give you one thumbnail free of cost and design for you. If you check and you are interested about the designing, we can work with each other. So this will be an idea that you can give to people who are a YouTuber and who are growing every day. So if they saw that you design very well, it's free of cost, definitely they will work with you. You send 10 emails and one of them accept to work with you, so it will be enough for you to start and growing your business. Another way, it's ytjobs.co. So this is a professional website that you can register there. And after working like for 10 YouTuber, you can put your work in your profile and people can see it and people can give you a job in this website. So this will be another way, another side hustle that you can rely on it. And definitely in a short time, like 1 year at least, you have to be consistent to reach to the level that you can earn money. So let's go to another side hustle. This is monetizing your voice with voice123.com. This is a website. There are so many websites that you can find it easily, especially AI, which these days people are looking for it. They have a section for the person who have a good voice. So if you think your voice is good enough, you can go to this website and register there. And after submitting your voice, they will check. If they believe that your voice is good enough, they will give you a panel and you can start your job as a translator or as a narrator in the channels. If you can speak in any language like German, like British, so you can register in this website. And in my opinion, you have to have some good tools like a good microphone to easily search on the internet which microphone will be the best for the narrator. You will find the best microphone, so you have to for it, and after a while you can grow your tools and you will reach to the level that people will be interested to pay for your services. And also a good thing about this kind of platform, especially AI platform, they will use your voice and after a while they will pay you as a loyalty. You will record one voice. Whenever somebody uses from your sound, they will pay you. So it will be a kind of passive income also for you. For the next side hustle, it's creating ambient sound loop. How it works? If you just search deep sound or focus sound or rain sound, sea sound, you will see so many videos. And the good thing about this, they have 1 million views. Why? These days, most of the people are suffering from ADHD. They need to hear something to focus on their job. If you can provide them sound of the jungle, sound of the rain, and you have to check all the YouTube channels which are providing this kind of services to people and check what you can do to be unique than them. So in this case, you you can find a good idea for yourself. I cannot tell you the exact way of adding value, but by spending time, like maybe 2 days, 3 days, you can understand what you can add in these channels and create your own channel and start recording a unique sound from the nature, like a waterfall or from rain. And after that, you can make it as a loop by some application and create one video with 2 hours. You will get watch time and you will get views. And after a while, your channel can be monetized and you can earn money. There are some way, like in Spotify, you can have this idea and you can create your own channels and earn money as a passive income. Definitely, you need to grow your skill. Why people should use your sound instead of other competitors, because there are so many competitors in YouTube, especially. You will definitely see a lot of channels which are working the same, but you must be unique. You have to see what feature you have to add. Another side hustle, it's sell Notion template. So first of all, I want to tell you what Notion is. Notion is a platform that you can create a template for the people. For example, a template for to-do. I want to categorize my daily work. Previously, I also used a paper to write my daily work, like weekly work or a big goal that I have for 1 year. But right now I'm using Notion and I just bought one template from Notion. Right now I just read whatever I have daily work and I connect it to my calendar, and everything is right now digitalized. So I can check from my mobile phone, from the laptop, what exactly I want to do every day. This is only one of thousands things that is available in Notion. So there are so many things that you can create a template. You must learn how to write a template in Notion, and after you can sell your template like $6, like $5. So it will be a passive income. One time you will create a template, like a daily task or for a goal, whatever you have in your mind. If you just watch Notion website, you will understand what I'm saying and you can find your idea what you can develop in this platform. And after a while, you can create the best application in Notion, and people are interested to pay for it because every day people wants to be digitalized. This will be a good and unique idea for people who wants to have a good side hustle. Another one is AI chatbot. What does it mean? Right now, if you just check ChatGPT or the platform for X or Gemini AI, they are providing API and you can use their API and generate a chatbot. Or there are so many ways that you can use as a developer. But you must learn how to create a chatbot for the companies. This way, there is no need for learning coding. It's easy. You can just search on the internet or you can ask from ChatGPT how I can create a chatbot without coding. You can create a chatbot and you can reach out to the companies, small businesses like coffee shop, like restaurant in your neighborhood, and offer them your chatbot so they can install in their platform, in their website, and this chatbot can talk with their customers. So it will be a good way for them that they can provide a better services to their customers. So why not? They will definitely pay to you because you are providing a good service to them, and it's unique and it's new also. And I believe at least 99% of the restaurants or cafes in your hometown or our hometown also, they are not using a chatbot. They are not using AI for their services. And if I want to sell my service, I can tell to the restaurant owner, as a restaurant, you will be more unique than the other restaurants because of using chatbots for your services. So definitely people will be interested about this service because you will be one step ahead than everyone else. One time you will create a chatbot and you can sell it to multiple restaurants and with a different idea. So this was my idea about the side hustle that I tried to give you just as idea. So if you have any other question, definitely you can ask through the comments or you can send me email. But making money, it's not easy. That's everyone's saying on the internet about laziest way for earning money. No, do not waste your time for watching this kind of videos. Instead, grow your skill and try to find your ability and grow it. And at the end, try to give value to people. So this will be the only way that people will be interested to pay for it. But by watching some kind of videos, I don't like that they will pay you by watching these ads. This is not normal, and especially you cannot trust them for a long time because there is no business idea behind this why they should pay you. Just go for a way that people will be interested to pay. As always, take care of yourself, and if you like this video, click on thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel to do not miss the next videos.